Hey everybody, Chris here. Today we are going to make some lemonade because my favorite drink in the world is water, but after that it's lemonade. But I never get it. I never order it at a restaurant. I never buy it at a store because it's way too sweet, always. Very sour, super sugary, makes me more thirsty after drinking it than before I drank it. So this is a very refreshing, light lemonade. It's sweetened with only honey and then a little bit of stevia. Keeps it very light and perfect for summer, any backyard barbecue, or just sitting by yourself outside. Easy to make, let's get going. When you go to the grocery store to choose your lemons, a lot of times you'll just see these big, bright, beautiful, firm lemons. Those are actually not usually great. The firmness tells you that the skin is very, very thick, which means that there's not as much juice in them. A lot of times, actually, some of these more dull looking or like a deep yellow instead of more white and bright, those will be a little softer. The juice has released a little bit more inside of the lemon. You'll get a lot more juice out of this little guy than you will this guy. So this is kind of a hard one, but use what you got. You just may need to buy more of these than these if this is all you have. Honey does not dissolve in cold water very well, so you mix it with the lemon juice first and whisk that together. This is your syrup, and the acid in the lemon breaks down the honey, makes it a lot easier to incorporate in with your water. And this, you can just use any extra. Sometimes I'll make like 2 or 3 cups of this stuff, and I just keep it in the fridge, and then I can just make lemonade whenever I really want it. Holds in the fridge really well, and sometimes it'll get a little cold, but you just whisk it up real quick. It mixes right in. We're just gently muddling the mint here to bring some of those oils and flavors out. If you don't have a muddler, you can use just the back of a wooden spoon or something. Even the pestle from your mortar and pestle, you can use that to kind of crush this up just a little bit. You don't want to bruise it too much, you just kind of want to get it started. Finish this lemonade off with just a little bit of stevia. It's a natural sweetener, 0 calories. It's from the stevia leaf. And sometimes I'll use it to help other sweeteners. It by itself has a flavor that can be a little odd for a lot of people. It doesn't taste exactly like sugar. And so mixing it with the honey, where the honey brings most of the sweetness, and then finishing with this keeps the whole lemonade from tasting like it's all honey, but gets it to that level of sweetness that you need. It's easy as that. I'm telling you, people are going to love it. It's unique, but not weird. So give it a try, let us know how you like it. The full recipe is linked in the description of this video. Make it for somebody you care about. Take care.